be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm looking with the man. How's it going? This is Dr. Todd. Just want to talk to you about neck pain and moving the neck a little bit. So neck pain is something I see commonly in the office. There's some great tools and exercises and movements to treat that. And I think movements are the strongest medicine. That's one of my mantras. So today we're going to go through and look at one of my favorite techniques called the man in the mirror, the bow and arrow, the Robin Hood, the Katniss. I'll have about 17 different names in about 2 weeks. But go ahead and enjoy this. This is a great thing you should be doing probably 2-3 times a day if you're doing like a lot of computer work, or if you've got a history of trauma, sports injuries, car accidents, whiplash. A great way because the neck feels safe when we're moving. So if you really have a stiff neck, can't move it, that's a great way. One of my favorite things to do is tell people, move your head without moving your neck. And depending on the IQ and the intelligence level, we'll sit there for a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of days. But I'll let you marinate on that one for a little bit. So what we're gonna do is it's do an exercise, and we're gonna mobilize, get some movement in the neck without moving the head. And all we need is a mirror, a piece of tape, and a ball cap. And it's a great demonstration. So I'll use the mirror right here, take a piece of blue tape. And I use the tape because it helps me cue what I'm looking at. And I'm gonna have my hands like I'm shooting a bow and arrow. And I'm gonna pull back and forward and back and forward. And I'm gonna try to keep my nose and both eyes on either side of the tape so my head is not moving. And I'm gonna really try to rotate my shoulder as far as I can. And that way I get maximum range of motion into the neck. All right, so really good. You'll see people tend to cheat and just move the arms. So it's easy, you gotta pull the shoulders. So the shoulders is the movement. That's a great way to do it. If you have a baseball cap, also a good way to do it. And the way is you can pull the center line, go in front of a mirror if you don't have tape, and you can do the same thing. So this is a great demonstration. I'm gonna pull and say the same, and I'll pull, stays the same. And you're gonna see my right side, fairly mobile. My left side, my head wants to pull away because I used to smash my head into people for about 8 years playing football. So I will focus more, and that's where a hat and mirror is a great, what we call external cue. Helps your brain know what's going on with your body. And so again, I'll do about 10 or 20 reps with that. Ball caps are great. Use a mirror is great. And enjoy that. That's a great exercise.